Here are some easy updates for big returns in 2025. The housing market is constantly shifting, but one thing remains certain. Investing in your home can significantly increase its value. Even small updates can yield big returns when it comes time to sell. Here are a few simple yet impactful projects that you can tackle in 2025 to potentially add $20,000 or more to your home's equity. Number one, refresh your curb appeal. Go beyond mowing. A well-maintained lawn is key, but don't stop there. Add some visual interest. Plant colorful flowers, shrubs, or even a small garden. And consider trees. Mature trees provide shade, they increase privacy, and significantly boost curb appeal. Apply a fresh layer of mulch around the trees and shrubs to also retain moisture and suppress weeds. Power wash to perfection. Power washing can make a huge impact and a huge facelift. Power wash your driveways, sidewalks, the exterior of your home, remove dirt, grime, and mildew. And then a simple step can make a dramatic difference in your overall appearance of your home. Let's talk about first impressions. Your front door is the first thing visitors see. Choose a color that's bold. It's an inviting color that complements your home's exterior color because that can make a huge impact and a warm welcome. Replace old or tarnished hardware with stylish new doorknobs and hinges. You can also add some flair. Consider a decorative house number or a stylish wreath to enhance the entrance. Number two, upgrade your fixtures. Let's talk about your kitchen and bath. Give your cabinets a refresh. Replace old cabinet hardware with modern, stylish pulls and knobs. I'm not even talking about redoing all your cabinets. That hardware can make a big difference. Swap out outdated faucets with shower heads with sleek, modern alternatives. Update outdated bathroom mirrors with larger, more contemporary options. Install new lighting fixtures in your kitchen and bathrooms. Consider under cabinet lighting in the kitchen and stylish vanity lights in the bathroom. So focus on some high traffic areas. Upgrade fixtures in areas like your entryway and your powder room, which are often seen by guests. Number three, the power of paint. A fresh coat of color. Neutral wins. Neutral colors like white, gray, and beige are timeless and appeal to a wide range of buyers. And then don't forget to paint the trim and the ceilings for a more polished look. High quality paint is something you really want to invest in for a longer lasting and more professional finish. The other thing you may want to consider is adding a pop of color. Create a focal point in your living room or bedroom with a bold accent wall. Now choose wisely. Select an accent color that complements the rest of your room's decor. Now, why do these projects matter? Increase property value. These updates can significantly boost your home's market value, potentially adding thousands of dollars to your bottom line. Enhanced appeal to buyers is what you're looking for when it comes time to sell, because these improvements are going to make your home more attractive to potential buyers. These updates can also enhance your own enjoyment of your home by creating a more stylish and comfortable living space. Focus on the projects that will yield the highest return on investment. Remember to budget wisely. Create a budget and stick to it. Determine which projects you can tackle yourself and which ones require professional help. And then consider your local market research of the recent home sales in your area to get a better understanding of what features are most in demand. And by implementing these simple yet effective updates, you can significantly increase your home's value and enjoy the benefits of a more beautiful and functional living space.